Hello everyone and welcome again to Alcalá Technology. Look where we are. Today we're gonna show all the process of sandblasting and powder coating. What we're gonna do? We're gonna do epoxy powder coating into the car, so you will see how we powder coating all the interior, all the exterior, and then we're gonna give a red finish as the car is gonna be red color. So we will have all the interiors with red color. As you know, the powder coating, you electrify the car and then you give powder, and the powder sticks in every single millimeter of the car, even inside of the joints that are welded. Well, it's quite noisy because we are doing already some process, and yeah, so let me show you how we started, how we sand the car, how we sandblasted, and continuing we're gonna powder coating and then inside the oven, and you will see how amazing is the finish. So let's continue. So you have seen the process of how we were sandblasting with different materials, not only with sand, to not damage the surface of the car, because as you may know, the metals of these Alfas were really thin, so with a lot of pressure we could deform the front, and you can see it's totally flat. And now we are with the powder coating with epoxy. So as you can see, we have the epoxy there. We have already connected the negative, so the ground, into the car, and the gun is electrifying the little sand spots, let's say, well, the powder. And what we have is an electromagnetic field from the gun to the parts, no? The car itself. So, well, at the end is to create a kind of magnet. So at the end, the powder gets really stuck into the metal. So what we have, every layer that he is creating, we have 20 micrometers of thickness. We are putting a little bit more, at least to have it, well, really well protected. We did the underneath, we did the interiors, now we are doing the interiors of the door. So after that, the car enters inside the oven. It will be about 20 minutes, because what we need to do is to continue all the process, painting it with red. So a similar red of the end, because we will create a special color for this car. So it's going to be like a cherry metallic. It's going to be super crazy, but I wanted at least to paint all the interiors with the same red, let's say, the basic red for the car. So inside 20 minutes, outside we start with the red because it's needed to have the car a little bit hot, let's say, because the paint introduces itself on top of the epoxy, and we have like a totally and perfect surface for the process that we are doing. So yeah, let's continue. Let's put the car inside and let's start with the red. So let's go. Look at that. When I say powder coating, come. It's powder coating. I'm gonna touch this and you're gonna see that it's real powder. Look at this. It's super thin. You know, for those who have curiosity on what's that, how it goes, and you can see all the time. So you have seen all the process and how the guy is with the gun giving this into the part and how it sticks on it. The first procedure that we did, because I'm sweating because we have the oven here that was at 200 degrees and actually the heating, you can feel the heating. So I'm really amazed how this is gonna end. Look the color. This is gonna be the base color that we're gonna use to give the metallic afterwards. Actually in matte, it looks like a cake. Let's say this velvet. It's like a velvet, and well, I really love how you feel it in your eyes. So that's super cool because you see this velvet, and when it comes out from the oven, it's fully melted. It melts into all these weldings coming from factory because we are giving the powder into all these places. So when it melts, it goes inside. So it's the same procedure as if they were under the normal procedure that they put it under the pool. And But well, here you control where you give more, where you give less, and yeah, really, I'm really enjoying this day, how much I'm learning about this process. I'm really happy of what we do and how, well, the process that we give. And yeah, let's continue, let's finish these last parts, which we have one door and the front bonnet, and let's fit it inside. And then for today, we are done. And we're gonna receive the car in a couple of days because it needs to get dry. Well, yeah, super happy of the day today. So let's continue.